Because of Florida legislation, many of our Florida managers and board members often ask, what's the difference between cash flow funding and component-based funding? As you may know, all across the country, reserve funds are set aside by homeowner associations, so common area amenities such as pools, clubhouses, and other shared facilities can be repaired or replaced in a timely manner. Sufficient reserves are crucial for avoiding special assessments and maintaining the value and livability of the community. There are two main ways to calculate how much funding is needed for these upcoming projects: the cash flow method and the component method. The cash flow method, also known as the pooled method, is when an income stream is designed that offsets the upcoming annual reserve expense totals, just overall income versus expenses. The component method, also known as the straight line method, calculates reserve funding for each reserve component separately, one at a time. Using the roof as an example, one would calculate how much roof cash needs to be added to the existing roof fund to prepare for the upcoming roof project. Then you do that same calculation for all the other reserve components. These two methods attack the same problem of upcoming reserve expenses, but from two different points of view. The cash flow method is more naturally tolerant of reserve projects that don't occur exactly according to plan because it addresses the reserve fund as a whole, not separate buckets of cash. Some projects will naturally occur earlier or later than planned, or at a higher or lower cost than planned. Since they're all considered in one pool, all the deviations from the plan tend to offset each other. With the component method, per its name, there's a separate funding plan for each and every component. Since the money is held in separate buckets of cash, you're annually adjusting the amount in each bucket and the amount going into each bucket, because nothing ever goes exactly according to plan. So which method is best for your association? The cash flow method is, because it fundamentally uses your money more efficiently, not tucking it away into different pockets unused for many years at a time. The result is a lower reserve funding requirement for your association. It's important to work with a reserve study professional to guide you down this path, addressing your association's specific needs and goals to develop a funding plan that works for you and your community. If you have any more questions about reserve funding methods or funding goals, do yourself a favor. Just reach out to one of our Association Reserve's regional partners at reservestudy.com so we can help you get all the information you need. We're here to make the present less stressful and the future more secure.